Hello, happy morning to all my lovely students there. How are you students? I hope you are taking care of your health, right? So, we are on chapter number 12, that is money. We have already completed our part 1 video. In that, we have seen about Indian currencies and we have gone through the note of 500. Why the symbols are used and when the Mahatma Gandhi series has started. So today in this video we will be solving our exercise 1. For that we have to move. So students, we will have a quick recall on the symbols or the signs which are used in the currency, and then we will be moving for further topic, that is how to write the monies and how to spell the amount. So let's go for it.
Serial number guaranteed by the central government. Reserve Bank of India. Portrait of Mahatma Gandhi. Ashoka Pillar emblem. Watermark contains the image of Mahatma Gandhi's portrait. Denomination in Hindi. Reserve Bank of India seal. Reverse side of the note. Can you identify the picture on the reverse of the note? Why was this movement important? Check out other currency notes and find out about the importance of the picture on its reverse side. Each banknote has its amount written in 17 languages. English and
How many languages? There are in all 17 languages. And now you will see the list of the languages which are used to mention the amount in the note.
and Hindi are used in the front. Can you identify the remaining 15 languages at the back of the note? Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. Writing.
So now students, we will see how to write or writing or pronunciation of money. We can write money in words as well as in figures. We will see the explanation now. Rupees 45. Rupees 45 and 50 paisa is written as we use the symbol of rupees. This is the symbol of rupees. 45 and the amount which is in paisa will be placed after the decimal point. As you can see this, rupees 45. So I will use rupees 45 and 50 paisa. जो भी amount पैसे में होगा that will be written after decimal. Understood students? And always we read it in this way. 45.50 हम नहीं बोलेंगे. We will pronounce in this way. 45.50 paisa or 45 rupees 0.50 paisa, or you can say in this way 45.50. Understood students? ये चीज रुपीस और पैसे की है तो आप 45 रुपीस एंड 50 पैसा बोल सकते हैं. But when you only say in numbers, you have to say in this way. 45.50. After decimal, we will pronounce that number as it is. We will not say 50, 40, 30. No. 5024. Understood students?
Observe, the dot separates the rupees and paise. The number on the left of the dot represents the rupees. The paise are represented by.
So what do you observe by these numbers? We observed that the dot separates the rupees and the paise. The decimal separates rupees and paise. The number of the left hand side of the dot represents the rupees. जो decimal के left hand side है वो represent करते हैं that this is rupees, and the numbers which are after the decimal, or I can say right hand side, that represents the amount of paise. As you can see in the third point, the paise are presented by 2 digits after the dot.
After the dot. Example, 7 rupees and.
As you can see in this example, 7 rupees and 5 paise is written as rupees 7.05. Always remember, we will be expressing decimal in 2 digits. 7.5 लिखने के वो ultimately 50 represent करता 50. So for that I will represent 7.05. Understood, students? Wait a second. As per my question, 7 rupees and 5 paisa. Okay, this is the question you have to write in numerical form. 7 rupees and 5 paisa. Which one you will select? First one or the second one? Take your time to think. Why first one you will not select? Yes. Students, जब भी एक रूल होता है कि पैसे के हमेशा 2 डिजिट्स होते हैं. So अगर आप 1 digit लिखते हैं तो the reader or it is understood universally that here it is 0. The meaning changes. It's all the magic of numbers. Rupees 7 and 50 paisa. First one आपको हो जाएगा 7 rupees and 50 paisa. In second it will be 7 rupees and 5 paisa. सिर्फ एक 0 का खेल है. If you place 0 this side, it will be pronounced as 5 paisa, and if you place 0 on that side, then it will be spell it out as 50 paisa. Understood, students? It is very easy. Just you have to remember कि पैसे में 2 digits होते हैं. अगर कभी कोई single digit है तो आप क्या लिखोगे? 07 or 06 or 05. You will be using 0. Okay?
Is written as rupees 7 and 5 paise or rupees 7 and 05 paise. Conversion of money. We know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. To convert rupees to paise, we multiply by 100. Example, convert rupees 5.
So students, today in this video we saw and we understood how to read the money and how to write in decimal form. In next video we will be discussing about the conversion. Just you have to remember one formula for that. 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. That's it. Your second exercise will be more easy. We will be continuing this in the next video. Let's move to worksheet. So, your exercise 1 is here on page number 138 of your textbook. Let's read the first question. Write the amount in words. You are supposed to write the amount in words. Let's read it out. The first one is rupees 23.75. What you will be write? 23 rupees and 75 paisa. हम लिखेंगे 75 but बोलेंगे 75. The second 72 rupees and 50 paisa. Third 75 paisa. आप देख सकते हैं रुपीस मतलब 0 डॉट. डेसिमल के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? द अमाउंट ऑफ रुपीस. बट रुपीस तो है नहीं. So I will only mention 75 paisa. Okay. Fourth. Rupees 812.25. So what you will be writing in your answer? Yes, 812 rupees and 25 paisa. हम रीड कैसे करेंगे? 812.25. Okay. 68 rupees and 50 paisa. The last one is 100 rupees and 25 paisa. Okay, students. Let's have a look on the question number 2. Write in short forms. 47 rupees 5 paisa. 47 rupees and 5 पैसा तो मैं 05 लिखूंगी. Understood? 120. So 120 rupees are, so I am placing a decimal. 75 पैसा. 75. 25 पैसा. Only paisa is given. So 0.25. Understood, students? So the remaining sums you will be solving as a part of your homework. Don't worry, it was very easy and I know you will enjoy that. Take care of your health. Bye. God bless you.